So, due to the sanctity of the Quran, Fusha Arabic has remained practically the same throughout the ages. People hesitate to make any changes because of their respect for the Quran. So Fusha, also called Standard Arabic, adheres to the grammatical structure of Quranic Arabic and has not changed throughout the centuries due to the sanctity of the Quran. The second type of Arabic, Ammiya, referring to spoken or colloquial Arabic, used for everyday communication, however, did change. Arabic started in the Arabian Peninsula. Originally, Arabs lived in the Arab Peninsula, which you know as the peninsula in which Saudi Arabia and Gulf states are located. Number one, Arabs already spoke different dialects then. Number two, of course, when they moved across what is now the Arab world, they brought their dialects with them. And number three, wherever they settled, the local people already spoke another language, so their dialects became influenced by the local languages. The Arabic in Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, and Libya, for example, is influenced by Berber, a language spoken in the region before the Arabs came, and that is just one influence. So, besides the Arabs bringing their own dialect to the region that they settled in, there were languages spoken by the people living in those regions before the Arabs arrived, and now here come new language influences. After the Arabs settled, new peoples moved in and brought their languages with them. For example, the Arabic of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia is also influenced by French. Algeria was a French colony. Morocco and Tunisia were French protectorates. There is some Spanish in Moroccan and Algerian Arabic, and some Italian in Tunisian Arabic, due to a Spanish and Italian presence in these two countries, respectively. So don't be surprised if you hear some French words in some of these dialects, or some Spanish words, or some Italian words. There are geographic reasons why people speak different dialects in the Arab world. The Arab world extends over a large area of land, and for the longest time, means of communication were quite limited, making the dialects develop differently in separate pockets. As a result, spoken Arabic, being a living language, developed differently in different areas. So far, and now, so close. With the advent of technology, satellite TV, the internet, social media, dialects have become much more alike. It used to take a while for people from different groups to understand each other, or at least it would take a period of adjustment. Now people can listen to different dialects when they're watching, for example, a call-in TV show where people call in from different Arab countries to discuss a certain topic or to give their opinion or make comments. We also have so many different countries participating in satellite TV production, movies, documentaries, game shows, and they're shown all over the Arab world. This has really brought the dialects closer to each other. People understand each other's dialects much more now.